Now, JPS customers will not be billed unfairly if they had no electricity during Hurricane Melissa. The Office of Utilities Regulations, OUR, gave that assurance at Wednesday's sitting of the Parliament's Public Administration and Appropriations Committee, PAAC. The committee was looking at the third supplementary estimates. Andrea Chisholm reports.
After Hurricane Beryl in 2024, a number of JPS customers complained about receiving high light bills even though they were without power. And now, after Hurricane Melissa, some customers are worried of a repeat. On Wednesday, this question from PAAC member Nikisha Burchell.
Can customers rely on OUR's support to ensure zero consumption has been built for those who've been out of electricity for now over a month?
In the case of Melissa, what they would have done is, based on the discussions that we have had with them, they would have prorated the estimated consumption based on the number of days of loss of service. So if since October 28th, you were without service for up to 8 days, for example, then and they have to estimate your consumption, then they would bill you for, say, 80% of your previous consumption.
OUR representatives also explained that JPS may give estimated bills if a disruption in the network made it impossible for them to read meters remotely. In the meantime, there were also questions about the $350 million figure for JPS to restore the grid.
Has the OUR conducted, commissioned or required an audit of JPS's damage claims for Hurricane Beryl or for Hurricane Melissa? Or are we relying completely on what they've self-reported?
The OUR Director General explained that JPS was told how to do the assessment. A distinction is made between engineering assessment and cost of restoration.
So JPS will appoint assessors on the terms of reference that we have approved. And then those reports will come to us. We will look at that, and we have reserved the right to employ specialists to review those.
Meanwhile, details of the $150 million loan to JPS from the Consolidated Fund are still being finalized. The Finance Minister, however, told Parliament on Tuesday that the interest rate is 5.5%.
Our international partners have indicated that within that package that's announced, there is about $450 million for JPS. And what that will do is allow for our loan of $150 million to be repaid back to us, so we get back the liquidity.
The package Favour Williams was speaking about is the $6.7 billion in international support to recover from Hurricane Melissa. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.